Today I will show you how to do free voice cloning and text to speech. First I will let you hear the original voice and then the cloned voice. You must tell me in the comments what difference you feel between the two. So let us see the voice sample now.
I'm gonna be here. Even if I miss, I will shoot. You understand? And I scored 2 goals, a decision.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I have created a new YouTube channel. On this channel, you will find very interesting and informative videos related to technology. Whether you want to learn about mobile phones, computers, apps, or the internet, you will find the best and proper content here.
Now you must have realized what the difference is between the original voice and the cloned voice. Today I will tell you how you can do free voice cloning and also an unlimited method for text to speech. You can do this on both your mobile and computer. First, I will tell you this method on mobile and after that I will explain it on computer. We will see how voice cloning can be done unlimitedly. It has no limit and it is absolutely free. You can take full advantage of it. If you skip any part of the video, you won't understand how to clone a voice and use it without any limits. Therefore, it is essential to watch the entire video and not miss any part of it. For those who haven't subscribed to the channel, yet please subscribe and like the video. First, you need to open your Google Colab. I will give you a link below the video. After clicking on this link, a new page will open in front of you. Now I will tell you its method. Wherever you see the arrow in the video, you have to click there. First, click on Change Runtime Type. After that, select T for GPU and save it. Now you will have to wait for about 1 minute. As I explained to you, with the help of arrows, you keep doing the same. Now you have to wait a little. Restarting can take about 1 minute. This depends on the network speed. Sometimes it takes 1 minute, sometimes 30 seconds or even less. The one with a fast internet will get the work done quickly. Now you will see a green colored code here. You have to hide this code. Now pay attention to a very important thing. If you make a mistake here, your voice clone will not work. Therefore, you will have to download a file. I will give you the link to this file in the video description below, and I will also tell you the name of the file in the video. I will also tell you how to upload this file. Now you have to pay special attention because this part is a little difficult to understand, so you have to pay more attention here. Otherwise, if a mistake happens, it can be difficult for you and the voice clone will not work. You will see the app.py file on the screen. You have to click on it. This is the file that you have to upload. Now there will be no problem with it. If this file is with you, then voice cloning will work. As I am telling you the method, you keep doing exactly the same. After clicking on it, you have to wait for less than a minute. After that, you will get 2 URLs, one local and one public. You have to click on the public URL. I am saying it again, click on the public URL. Only then will your voice clone tool open. Now all your problems are over. The further process is very easy, which you will understand easily. Now I will tell you the further process. First, you have to upload your voice. In the text box that appears above it, write your text. When you are done writing your text, click on the generate button below. After that, you will have to wait for 15 to 30 seconds. During this time, you will see seconds counting down, which will tell you how much time is left. When the voice is ready, download it. Now I'm going to tell you the same process on the computer. Just get ready and watch this short video. After that, we will move towards the computer.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I have created a new YouTube channel. On this channel, you will find very interesting and informative videos related to technology. Whether you want to learn about mobile phones, computers, apps, or the internet, you will find the best and proper content here.